This innovative lamp does more than just light up your desk. With a simple adjustment it transforms into the perfect light source for video calls, combining the functionality of a desk lamp and a ring light. With 30 light modes, 3 color temperatures ranging from 3000K to 6500K and 10 brightness levels, this lamp offers customizable lighting for any task, whether you're working, studying or live streaming, all while protecting your eyes with edge-lit LED technology. The lamp's adjustable 5-joint swivel arm allows you to effortlessly adjust the angle and height to suit your workspace, making it ideal for any setup. Its sturdy metal base ensures stability, and because it's not fixed, you can easily move it wherever you need it, making it suitable for all types of workspaces. With a CRI of 95, this lamp enhances your appearance on camera, providing light that's very close to natural daylight, making it a game changer for video conferencing. And with 84 LED beads designed to last 100,000 hours and a 36-month warranty, you can rest assured that this lamp is built to last. If you have any questions or problems, our 24/7 customer service is here to help you get the most out of your lighting experience. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to find out more about this product, you can find more details and a link to buy it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.